of the things that we can find, sorry, with VW theme, in a garage. Run across the oddest things here. Torch don't make no difference. A genuine Ford. What do they call these? Model Ts, Model As?
I always say Model T when I see something like this.
Check that out, the details on this thing. It's got the wood grain, real wood grain. I wish I had a way to get a flashlight in
It's
here.
brand new.
Yeah, it's in brand new shape. Except for some dirt in the floorboard. I wish I had a, let's try that now. That helps a little bit. Yeah, that's what they did back then. Very awesome car. And it's a convertible. Somebody's hat back there.
Unbelievable.
Yes, it is. And see, everybody wonders why they used to call it why they call it a trunk.
Look at the extra window so you don't kill the wind don't hit you inside.
Yep. Everybody wonders why they call it a trunk. Take a look. There is a trunk on the back of the car. Maybe that's where it started out at. And check this out, Lane. It's got a motor. Original.
Oh my god.
They didn't have spark plug caps on the wires back then, you know, the boots. Open starter. That's an old flathead four-cylinder. How do you like the head bolts? They're just right there.
Looks like this thing.
Oh, that's an updated alternator. But I mean, this car is so pristine.
It is. What did you ask me?
I forgot. I'm bad about that. Put this back so that they don't have a problem with it.
Two spare tires.
Real careful with it. It was unlatched when I got it. But that is one awesome car.